Hi my loves, in this reading we will going to have love reading with message from your person. So let's see the energy or situation first. Ano ba ang meron sa situation or relationship na to? Let's see. Spiritual awakening or realization. So one of you, maybe you or your person realize something about your relationship, the romance feelings. If you are currently into something chaotic, my loves, I hear na isa sa mga realization na yon ay yung tunay niyang nararamdaman. Renewed hope. Okay. So, pwedeng my loves, ikaw, pwedeng yung person mo, andyan yung renewed hope. So, kumbaga, kung meron kayong gulo, or you are in separation, my loves, your person, or pwedeng ikaw, nare-realize mo yung romantic feelings mo sa person na to. Na iyon ay hindi lang basta feelings, kung hindi merong deep connection sa inyong dalawa. So, I also hear, the new love here is not about the new person. So, yung new love dito, ibig sabihin is, pwedeng ito yung renewed hope about your person, about your relationship. Kung meron man kayong pinagdaanan, my loves, nandyan yung renewal. Ibig sabihin, confirmation na maaaring may pagbabago na magaganap sa relationship nyong dalawa. Because of the realizations and spiritual awakening, my loves. One of you, maybe you or your person, realize something na hindi lang kayo basta connected, hindi lang kayo basta mag-ex, hindi lang kayo basta in relationship, kayo ay may deep connection, kayo ay fated. Okay? Ayan. So, tumalong yung mga cards natin. Cutting out. Oh yes. Dito my loves, I hear na separated talaga kayo. Blowing kiss, unconditional loves. And because of this separation, nare-realize nyo, and love call, my loves, the expressing love, message of love. My loves, I hear na meron something, pwedeng pagbabalikan dito, my loves, sa relationship na to, giving or receiving fairness, pwedeng dito sa panibagong kasi renewed hope dito eh. So, balikan to talaga. So, kung wala kayong communication right now, expressing love are on the horizon. So, think your person also or ikaw thinking of each other. So, meron dito, communication follows, my loves. And also, the interested in you, nandyan din. So, pwedeng my loves, pwede din one of you ay obsessed with this connection. Pero dito, my loves, para matigil itong obsession na to or addiction na to, this is a confirmation na merong renewed hope na magaganap sa inyong connection and relationship. Okay? So, do not worry about your relationship or your person kasi may nakatadhana, there's something fated about this connection and na-realize yun ng tao or ng person na iniisip mo right now. Okay, nare-realize niya na parang hindi lang basta to relationship, hindi itong taong to, kumbaga iba ang connection niya, malalim ang connection naming dalawa at hindi ko siya kayang ipagpalit or i-let go. Because of dito, unconditional love, my loves. Giving and receiving and affection returned. Na, alam niyo yon, yung nabuhay ulit yung kanyang romantic feelings sa'yo. Na-miss niya ulit yon, my loves. Okay, let's see more. So, dito, waiting for your ship. So, dito, 3 wands. Maaaring itong person mo ay nagiintay ng results, ng decision, nagiintay ng tamang panahon. Waiting for your ships to sail in. Naghihintay ng, sabihin natin, tamang oras, pagkakataon, new horizon. So, there are foresighting something big about this relationship. So, ibig sabihin, in separation talaga kayo, my loves. pero nagigising, nababalik ulit yung kanyang nararamdaman. And maaari, my loves, right now they are sabihin nating struggling with these feelings. Yung nararamdaman niya na to, my loves, they are, sabihin nating burden, alam mo yun, heavy feelings, my loves. Parang dinadala nila to dahil nga, alam niyo yun, yung nagising ulit, yung feelings nila bumalik ulit because of this blowing kiss. Pero parang ang bigat-bigat ng pakiramdam nila because you cutting them down or your, sabihin natin, you're in separation right now. So parang hindi maganda yung feelings nila kasi alam niyo yung someone na na-realize niya yung kanyang something or yung kanyang person nung wala na sa tabi niya, and now napaka-heavy ng feelings niya about that. Gusto niya ng pagbabago, my loves. So maaari, my loves, isa yon sa laman ng kanyang magiging messages sa'yo. Gusto niya ng pagbabago, gusto niyang itama ang pagkakamali, gusto niyang magkaroon ulit ng, alam niyo, ito nga, renewal or new love. Kasi nandito that card natin, ibig sabihin, gusto niya ng something new. Okay? Gusto niya ng something new about this relationship. Okay, so let's see message from this person. Ano ba yung gusto niyang sabihin? Kasi parang ang bigat-bigat ng pakiramdam niya right now. Lalo na na-realize niya na yung feelings na yon, yung connection ninyong dalawa ay hindi lang basta connection, hindi lang basta relationship. At iyon ay isa sa parang nagiging burden sa kanya, yung kanyang nararamdaman right now. And if ever, gusto niyang magkaroon ng pagbabago sa inyong dalawa. I am ready. Sabi ko nga dito, sa 3 of Wands na to, they are waiting for the right time. So, kumbaga, pwede din nag-iintay na lang din siya ng sign. Pwedeng mula sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw din to. Pero they are ready, or gusto nila yung gawin when they are ready. Pero dito, my love's message from your person, they are ready to begin again. I lie awake thinking about our future. Sabi ko sa inyo, my loves, that's why parang kumbaga ang bigat-bigat ng kanilang pakiramdam right now. Alam nyo yon, they are stressing about this about these feelings na hindi kanya kasama, na may nararamdaman niya siya sa'yo. So I lie awake thinking about you, namimiss kanya, my loves. At alam niyo, gustong-gusto niya yang bumalik ka, gustong-gusto niyang iparamdam ulit or maramdaman ulit yung dating kayo. You make my heart full. My gosh, my loves. Napaka-aligned with this spiritual awakening. Napakadami niyang realization. Kaya kung ano man ang kanyang ginawa, my loves, they realizing something about this relationship, something about you na hindi niya kaya na mawala ka. You make my heart full, my loves. So, your person realize something na hindi kanya kayang i-let go, hindi kanya kayang pakawalan. Okay, let's see more. Message from this person. I hide or I hid who I am from you. So, right now, my loves, kumbaga, ito, meron siyang mga hindi na ipakita, na i-express sa'yo habang kayo pa. So, they are telling you right now na meron siyang mga bagay na hindi ipinakita sa'yo. I knew exactly what I was doing. So, my loves, gusto niyang patunayan, gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na sure na siya this time. Kung meron siyang sasabihin na feelings about your relationship, I know that I crossed the line. So, realization pa rin, my loves. Realization pa rin. So, if you feel resonated with this message, my loves, ito yung mga messages niya sa'yo. Okay, so let's see message from spirits. Ano ba yung magiging sabihin natin bukod dito sa new hope, renewed hope, or new love natin So, ito meaning, pagbabalikan talaga, my loves. So, the focus of this relationship right now, or ano yung upcoming laman ng New Hope na to, bukod sa malaking pagbabago, transformation. Looking at your photos, so confirmation, my loves, na they are missing you. Nostalgic energy, make new memories, my loves. They want to make new memories. Also, the healing hearts, my loves, they want you to heal. They want to heal from the past. Pero isa lang ang sure, my loves, na-miss ka talaga ng tao na to. Namimiss ka ng taong to. Pwede ding pinarealize na yung angels and guides mo kung ano talaga ang connection ninyong dalawa. That's why they're missing you right now. Nostalgic memories. And maaaring iyon yung nakakapagpabigat ng damdamin niya kasi naiisip niya yung nakaraan ninyo. Yes, and new beginnings. Endings bring new beginnings. So, ibig sabihin, my loves, sa relationship na to, since na kayo ay in separation, you have to observe the new beginnings and growth. Hindi lang basta pagbabalikan, dapat meron pang mas mag-level up pa kung ano yung naging relationship niyo before. So I also hear this separation, this spiritual awakening is part of your transition. So nandito din confirmation din sa death cards natin, my loves. So sa death cards natin, nandun din yung malaking pagbabago, transformation. You have to let go the past, even sa naging conflict ninyo ng person na to. And eto, take a chance. This person will going to risk again. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, naghihintay lang sila. They are waiting for the ships to sail. Naghihintay lang sila ng tamang pagkakataon. But sabihin natin, parang wala naman. But parang hindi ko naman nakikita. Because they are not showing their hands. So kagaya ng cards na yan, itinatago nila yung mga pwede nilang maging movements. But still, they take a chance. They risk. They want to risk para sa new beginnings nyo. Okay? And final message about this love connection. Power, my loves. The power of love is like a magnet drawing souls together. So, ibig sabihin, if you are in a relationship, my loves, kahit anong tangge mo pa rin dyan, nandyan pa rin, my loves, yung magnet na patuloy na magdodro sa inyong dalawa because of this spiritual awakening. So, ibig sabihin yung separation na to, ito ay isang instrument lamang para sa inyong spiritual awakening. Kumbaga, kailangan nyo talagang maglayo. Pero, with this power card, my loves, iba pa rin ang nagagawa ng inyong pagmamahalan or feelings sa isa't isa. So, that's all for this love reading. So, my loves, if you feel resonated, comment down below and see you in my next one.